Hey, what's up everybody? Just a quick video on my Zeiss Ikon Nettar 120 camera, circa 1949 I believe. It does have the leather case that will come with it. The strap, however, is broke, which you will see from the pictures in the listing. Bottom part here unscrews, which will release the camera from the case. Set this over here, and the button over here opens the lens, and that pops out like that. Everything still works. To use it, you cock this right here. That cocks your shutter, and that's probably still on B for bulb. Yeah, you can adjust the speed of the shutter with the ring here up to, I believe, 200. And if I can get a shot from the back here, it does have this little cover. You can, like I say, cock that. Open the back here, pull that down. The inside view there. You can see there's no light coming through the accordion. I don't know if that caught it or not. I do a little bit slower to show you that the shutter still works. Everything works fine. I don't know where you can get 120 film at, but they seem to be a collector's piece. So I just kind of wanted to go through the function of this one, because all the listings I've seen, nobody shows you how to use them. There's little arms here on either side. You press those down at the same time. Over here too. You press those down and push back, and that puts everything back into the case. Like say you push this button on the top here, that pops out the lens. Your shutter button's in the same place it's been since dinosaurs roamed the earth. Your settings, there's your focus to infinity and beyond, up to let's see, 4.6 feet is about the closest. Like I say, that your ring here on the front, you can adjust how long you want to keep the shutter open with this little red line, 25, 75, 200, or the B. It does have the input for the remote trigger. You can see that there. It doesn't have the trigger with it, something optional that I don't have. I'm pretty boring. It does have a hot shoe for the flash. This is how you wind your film, obviously. But standard 1/4 inch 20 thread for every tripod. And that's it. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.